to add a conference room calendar to the list of your viewable calendars on Outlook, you can go to your calendar page on Outlook and then go to the Open Calendar button, click From Address Book, and at the top there it should have the two conference rooms in Burlington here, large conference room, small conference room. Each one you double click on and click OK. And I've already done that, so they've now popped up under my Rooms tab under the calendars. So once you should only have to do that one time, and then you'll forever be able to have access to see what's happening in each conference room at any given time. So let's say I would like to take a look at scheduling a workshop for Wednesday in the small conference room. I would go to the calendar and take a look to see if there's availability on Wednesday morning at 10 o'clock a.m. We can see here that there's nothing going on. If there had been something going on, it would look like this. We'd be able to see that there's something happening. So I'll double click on that and type in financial futures as the subject, and then if it's SpendSmart 1, we'll type that in. Sometimes it's helpful for other people to be able to see who's the facilitator, so I'll write that. And it's not an all-day event, it's from, if the workshop is from 10 to 11:30, I'll book it from 9:30 to 12, so we have a little bit of time to set up and break down. Save and close, and then you'll see it pop up there. Now I will go to the Financial Futures Program calendar and add that to our list as well. So I'll do the same thing, double click on that day, type in SpendSmart Burlington, for example. Location is that small conference room. We can be more specific with the timing on our calendar. And in Burlington SpendSmart, we'll click that category, save and close, and now everyone should have the view of that. Okay. So it might also be helpful here to write in who the facilitator is.